Good day, everyone. You're welcome to Setro Craft channel. Today, this is Joke Setro, being away from YouTube. But today, what are we doing? We are doing this top you'll see me wear. It's called the Niger Delta South female top or unisex top. It can be worn by a female, it can be worn by a male. So in some few minutes, I'm going to be teaching you how to cut and how to sew this from Setro Fashion School. And the big one is coming. I told you the other time in my video, African Fashion and Food Expo 2019. It's going to take place on the 1st of June at Darius Place. Darius Place is just along Golden Tulip Fresh Stack, as in Amuwadofin. Yes, you don't have to be left out. So let's go back to the business of the day. This African Fashion and Food Expo 2019 is going to host a lot of big fashion houses and food related businesses. So you come one and come all, you're not going to regret coming that day. So today, let's just achieve this. Yeah, you also know I'm a cinematographer. I'm going to be behind camera, and it's going to be great. Achieving this Niger Delta top, it can be worn by a male, a female. So I know you want to know how to do it. See, it's even has side pockets. Gang. So let's get started. Thank you. Yeah.
The bust is 38 divided by 4. So you slant it by 3.5 from the origin. So getting your armhole, you just come from this origin. We've said that the armhole is quarter of your chest measurement, that plus the allowance you've been adding, that's 9.5 plus 1, that's 10.5. So from this origin, you start vertically this way, you get your 10.5 inches. Then you now get the 10.5 inch, and when you take the measurement, it's going to give you 9.75. So that means you are on the safer side. We are 3/4 inches lesser. By the time we are trimming the front and back panel together, we'll now get to that exact 10.5. So we are good to go. The jig is, you first of all get your turning in allowance. From there, the vent, the opening should be nothing less than 7.5 inches or 8.5 inches. So for this person prefers not so much opening, so we're going to make it 7.5 inches. So that's where we got that. So from here right now to the chest line is 16 inches. So it's half of this that will be the tummy. That's 8. So this is where we get the tummy measurements. The tummy divided by 4 gave us 8.75. 35 divided by 4, 8.75. So that's 9.75. Okay, for the neckline, this is the front neckline and this is the back neckline. The neck measurement is 15 inches. It must be such that this is either half and the back neckline is half, or this is half inch or 1 inch more than the back neckline. So let's say this is 8 inches, then this must be 7 inches, so that addition of both will give us 18 inches. So we've already used depth 2 1/4. So you just curve your tape rule in such a way that you get 4 inches by the time you curve it. So that was what we did. You can just use the tape rule. So we just use it from the half-inch sewing allowance. So we curved it down such a way that we got 4. Can you see? 4 exactly. So that's 4 times 2, 8. So the back neckline right now, we're going to be getting 7 inches. 7 plus 8 is 15.